Easy English, snack food. Post your favorite in the comments. Chips. Chips. Popcorn. Popcorn. Nuts. Nuts. Cookies. Cookies. Dried fruit. Dried fruit. Granola bar. Granola bar. Candy. Candy. Cracker. Cracker. Cheese. Cheese. Beef jerky. Beef jerky. Quiz time! Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What is this?
Nuts or popcorn. Popcorn.
What is this?
Dried fruit or granola bar. Dried fruit.
What is this?
Cracker or chips. Chips.
What is this?
Candy or cookies. Cookies.
What is this?
Granola bar or beef jerky. Granola bar.
What is this?
Popcorn or cheese. Cheese.
What is this?
Cookies or candy.
Salmon. What is this?
Beef jerky or dried fruit. Beef jerky.
What is this?
Cookies or cracker. Cracker.
What is this?
Nuts or chips. Nuts.